Hi guys, this is Shadi. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing and swatching some lipstick by Just Herbs Ayurvedic Lipstick Kit. Let's get started. This kit comes with 16 miniature shades and you can create fabulous looks with them. Here we have browns, reds, nudes, mauves and dark pinks. Go ahead and put on a lipstick of your choice, starting off at the cupid's bow and moving outwards towards the corners of your lips. Then fill it in. For an everyday look, you can go with a minimal nude, but this bright pink one over here is perfect for a night out. Skin friendly and versatile, this is a lipstick kit you should definitely invest in.
Hi guys, I'm Anagha. Applying lipstick for me is the most fun part of doing my makeup. I just really love how it brightens up the face and pulls the whole look together. If you agree with what I'm saying, you're about to love what I'm going to show you. Meet my cute little trial kit of the Just Herbs lipsticks. These come in a set of 16, so you're bound to find a shade that suits you well and suits any occasion really well. They're made using natural ingredients and are free from any chemicals. I just love how you get to play with so many shades with this kit. Each shade has been formulated to suit every skin tone, so you know you're going to look great no matter which shade you pick. These lipsticks are made with natural Ayurvedic ingredients that help hydrate, nourish and repair them too. It creates a gorgeous matte finish that lasts for hours. These lipsticks are 100% natural, free from any petrochemicals, parabens or silicones. They're also cruelty-free. To apply, all you have to do is swipe them over your lips in one smooth movement, beginning at the center and making your way outwards. Use your finger to gently pat off any excess product. They're compact and offer a comfortable grip that allows you to apply them with ease and get full coverage in just a few swipes. This 16-piece trial pack of the Just Herbs lipsticks gives me the freedom to express myself differently every day.
While you should wear whichever color you like, there are some techniques like checking your undertones to find the perfect lipstick shade for you. If you have peachy or golden hues in your skin with greenish veins, you probably have a warm undertone. You can wear bright colors or colors that has orange or red undertone to them. If you have reddish or bluish hues in your skin with either purple or bluish veins, then you have a cool undertone. You should wear colors that have a bluish tint to them. If you have a combination of the two or you can't really figure out which one you are, then you have a neutral undertone. Both warm and cool shades will suit you. And there you go, that's all you need to do to find the right shade for you.